Hey, don't touch that dial. It's the GoodBoyz show.
Now let me tell you a little story about me and my man. Kinda like the Blues Brothers, but without the band. Southwest Philadelphia, born and raised. So if you ever in the city, just say the name.
Fellas, y'all know late, man. You got cash. Where the dogs at? The dogs? The dogs in the joint, bruh. I mean, you know, where the cash at, though, bruh? Ain't no cash till we see the dogs. You wanna see the dog?
Yeah.
You wanna see the dog?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey, you got the money?
Go.
That's half the money.
Show me half the dog, half the money.
Oh, it's like that. Okay, you want the big dog?
Show me the big dog.
You want the big dog, though?
Big dog.
The big dog?
What you promised?
Big dog in here. What's up, you? Big Mom. Killing me. The big dog. The big dog. You're killing me right now.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, come on, man. You fucking up the money. Y'all guys playing me. You want to see a big dog? You want to see a big dog? You want to see a big dog? I got your big dog. Let's get that other half right. Come on, Jimmy. You want a big dog? Calm down, Apollo. Get that money, man. You got to ask for my money. Jimmy, hold on, Apollo. Hold on, Apollo. Hold on. Apollo, hold on. You got the other half of that cash? The other half of the cash? Oh, hell no. Half each none. Damn, Cruz!
Last